Even if I tried, even if I wanted to, and I can't change. Even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm.
If I was gay, I would think hip-hop hates me. Have you read the YouTube comments lately? Man, that's gay, gets shot in the daily. We become so numb to what we're saying. A culture fed from oppression. Yet we don't have acceptance for them. Call each other faggots behind the keys of a message board. Or we're rooted in hate, yet our genre still ignores it. And gay is synonymous with the lesson. The same hate that's caused wars for religion, gender, skin color, the complexion of your pigment. The same fight that led people to walk out in cities to human rights for everybody. There is no difference. Live on and be yourself. When I was at church, they taught me something else. If you preach hate at the service, those words aren't anointed.